The small accumulation we're seeing in the southern half of the state this morning gives way to a northerly wind, which has already been gusting over 20 miles an hour through the afternoon as the storm moves away. It's going to keep things kind of cool for this time of year going through the extended forecast, but it will be with a couple of sunny breaks. Notice temperatures responding this afternoon from the mid-30s to mid-40s. Again, that northerly breeze and the clouds hanging on closer to the shoreline is going to make it feel a lot cooler than that. We do drop back into the 20s to near 30 tonight, and that will be with a breeze out of the north, which will remain fairly healthy out of the north and northeast as we work our way through the weekend. Sunshine to some fair weather clouds on your Friday afternoon, and our one system after this one moves away today between now and next Tuesday is a system actually backing in out of Maine. It could mean a couple of mixed showers on Saturday afternoon, and it could mean a little bit of light snow later Saturday evening, maybe locally an inch in a couple of spots, but I think beyond that, again, very quiet weather and temperatures a little subpar for this time of year, but we'll start warming up next week.